Hey y'all, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I got my wand curls on this V-part wig and how I did my leave out. So this is the V-part wig. It's really curly already, but it's kind of like deep wave curls. So you see it here. I was trying out different hot tools because I got so many, so I didn't know if I wanted like really skinny barrel curls or 8-inch barrel curls, wand curls, wavy, straight. So that's where I started, and I decided to just go with wand curls. So with the wand curls, obviously, in my opinion, if you want wand curls like the wand curl look, you should do it on curly hair because it's less work. So the curls can also come out like thicker and fuller, just my opinion. And then, but what you see me doing is the wand curl technique, like the typical wand curl technique, which is basically you take curly hair, you twist it like a twist, and then you wrap it around the wand going towards your head. But I'm doing both types of curls. So I'm also doing curls in different, wanding in the opposite direction in the back because I needed the hair in the back to be a little curlier because the hair in the back of your head touches your neck. And when it touches my neck in the summertime, my neck be sweaty sometimes. So that's why you see me doing that. But for the most part, I'm taking bigger pieces and I'm using like the typical wand curl technique going all the way around my head. And then obviously as I get to the opposite side of my head, I'm curling the opposite direction because, you want the curls to lay in the same, you want the curls to be going in the same direction once you're framing your face. This is the final result of all the wand curls. This only took me about 30 minutes to do, honestly, and I didn't use any other product in the hair. I just Wang curled it. It's on clean hair and everything, air dried, no other products. What you see me spraying is a Sebastian Shaper Plus to save the curls, because obviously you've seen I didn't pin up the curls, nothing. So I'm using a really good amount of that because that spray is really the shit. Like, I could lay a wig with this Sebastian Shaper Plus. And I'm also getting my ends because, you know, that's where you lose curls, is right at the ends, and then it goes up the shaft. So I'm also getting the back, but I'm spraying way too much. I just knew I was never Wand curling this hair ever again. So these is like some permanent curls. Now I'm just clipping the last little comb on the inside of my wig. I have like 8 combs in this wig. You'll see a video. After this video comes out, you'll see another video of me actually making this V-part wig. This video just ended up coming out first. So I used all the little combs, every last comb that I sewed in that wig by hand, like, well, not by hand with my sewing machine, but every last comb that I sewed in that wig I actually needed, because once I put the wig on, it was a tiny bit too big. So that's why, you know, it seemed like the wig is so big. Like, it's only a little big because I do have a big head, but it's like, it just made a difference when I was using the combs. Like, I wouldn't have been able to, you know, I wouldn't have been able to go on without the combs because I didn't have a band and whatever. So next you see me just trying to make my side part. I do look crazy, but I'm trying to make a nice, deep, crisp side part. And what I'm going to do is just use the Care wax stick. And I'm only using this so I don't lose my part. So I parted it out and it's as straight as I can get it. I don't want to lose my part. So that's the only reason why you see me using the Care, and I'm going to hot comb it because I don't want to lose my part. This is of no stretch me trying to actually, you know, press my hair, hot comb my hair. No, I literally just don't want to lose my part because y'all can see I have some serious 4C hair. This hot comb wasn't doing nothing. I just needed my part. I didn't want to lose it. That's all. Now that I define my part, I'm going to just go in with my Kiss by Red by Kiss edge curler that I do not recommend because although it gets the job done, there is no reason for this tool to be this hot. It is so hot. Like, you know how when your hot tools, after a while, they just get super hot. Like, it doesn't matter what temperature you put it on. That's what this is. And I'm so sad that I am using it on my real hair. I am going to throw it away, just part ways with it because it is way too hot. But like, literally, you could have it plugged in for 30 seconds and plug it out, like literally turn it off, and it's still just hot enough to curl your hair, which is crazy. So not going in too much with this, but hey, I had to do what I had to do. So next is the highlight product of this video, in my opinion, the Nairobi Smokeless Detangling Cream Press. So even though this bottle is like damn near $20, it really is worth it. So you are only supposed to use a small amount with any type of silk press serum because you don't want to ruin it or whatever. So I'm starting with small amounts, but honestly, my hair is so thick, I was able to go back in and use a little more. I still didn't use more than like a quarter size, but it was just enough. Literally, you'll see the results, but I highly recommend this product, and I just imagine it's gonna last me like a really long time because if I only have to use a tiny bit amount on all of my nappy ass leave out, like, it's worth it to me. But that's what I use to press the hair out. I'm using my Babyliss Flat iron, I'm going over 1 or 2 times. Didn't have to do too much, and it really is smokeless because although my hair, you can see that it's beginning to shine, it's not like greasy shine. Like I don't know what the fuck is in the product, but it works. It works. It works. It lasts as well. Like it really does last. Next, I'm skipping the edge control and I'm just using some free spray to just swoop my side hairs pretty much. And I want to swoop it into the hair to give it that look. I'm not trying to do the curly baby hair look. I just want it to flow into my leave out basically. And you kind of got to be fast when you use this bond spray, whatever, because it dries really quick. So like when you put like a small amount, it begins to dry. So but it works for me obviously since I'm 4C and I don't be needing the edges of my hair to go nowhere. Like I actually need it frozen. So I just decided to skip the edge control for the summer because it's hot and edge control be melting on me. Even the really good ones, after a few hours they start melting. So step, you know, I gotta wrap my hair. So I probably wrap my hair for like 20 minutes so I can see my results. I already knew like the silk press serum, the Nairobi silk press. I have no flyaways with my real hair, but that doesn't mean I might not have a little one too with the curly hair. So I kind of just put the scarf on just to make sure like all the hairs is down, everything is covered in the back. And I love my results. I have no frizz. It's shiny. It's flowy. It's like full. And I just love the way the direction the curls ended up going in. But yes, I really love this style. It was very easy for me. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to put everything I use in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video.